new trading system. When you're in attendance tomorrow, I will be posting a link for you to join. But today, it is, and I don't know what day it is, but actually it's right here, June 9th, 2020. Date is right there. And it's looking good. So here's what our new trading system look like. It's very simple to use. It's called Simplicity. And as you can see, it's currently up on this particular trade, 900 pips. So how did I do that? Open positions. See, on this, for those who like to stack positions, right here on this green line is actually 8 positions. I was confident in this trade. I knew where it was going. I followed the rules that you'll have in your tutorial program. And so this one, I stacked it. And that's one trade. But let's take a look at some others. Okay, there's plenty more to look at. Trust me. And this is what we're going to be showing you guys tomorrow. Okay. Give me a second. Move this up a bit. All right. And let's get started. And let me show you a couple of more trades. Also, I'm in this one here. And that's CAD, JPY. I'm making sure that screen capture is capturing it for you. That's why I'm doing that. So that's CAD, JPY, and also NZD, JPY. Now, as you'll hear in the instructions, normally you do not want to trade multiple pairs with the same currency attached to it because that's dangerous. But as you can see, I'm up 751 pips with this trade. 30-minute time frame, and you say, well, how did you do that when it barely moved? Look at my open positions. Again, confidence in my trading system, so I stacked this one for those who like to stack. If you only want to have one position, you can do that as well. Let me see, on the 4-hour, I'm actually selling gold. So let's go to the 4-hour, and let's check on gold. And as you can see, I'm in gold. And again, if you trade gold, you know this is not 132 pips. It's only like 13 pips that I'm down by, but it's creating a typical flag pattern. It's called a bear flag. So as you can see, it shoots up and then drops. Shoots up, and see, it hits our algorithmic trend line. Okay, it's not your typical trend lines like you normally use, or the 50 moving average and so forth. We actually built an algorithm in here, and let me expand it so you can actually see it. It's actually smiley faces. Isn't that cute? Aww. This is our smiley face system, and then you can see the lower indicators have smiley faces as well. So at 10 tomorrow, and I'll tell you what that means. But some of you guys, from that big drop on last week, you saw the big drop on gold. Well, guess what? Simplicity already had it ready to go right here on the 4-hour time frame. Okay. And so it came down, shot back up, retested our hot zone, and dropped on down. And now it's coming up, it's playing within these little areas here, creating a flag pattern. As you can see right here, it did it. And this is for people who doesn't understand what a flag pattern is. It'll go down, swing back up, and drop. Go down, swing back up, and drop. And so that's what a flag pattern is. Just a bit of free education, okay? So anyway, I'm playing the flag pattern. So that's only, see, it's only like 8 pips or so, not much. So don't think it's 100 pips. It's only like 8 pips because gold pips are counted differently, okay? All right, let's move on to the next one. NZD Swiss. NZD Swiss. And normally I'm not a fan of the NZD. And what time frame I take that one off? So we'll go back. Let's drop back down to the 15-minute on that one and take a look. And look at there. Isn't that beautiful? Look at there. And normally I'm not even a fan of the Swiss currency pair itself because it jerks around a lot. But this setup was just absolutely beautiful. Look at this last one when it came in right here for a buy. And now we're in the sale. And of course I stacked this one, 6 positions.